Hi, today I am going to show you how to make chicken stew my version. At times we want flavorful meal, but we get fed up of turmeric powder and chili powder which is usually used in Indian food. So I am going to show you how to make chicken stew with minimum Indian spices. So here are the ingredients. You can see chopped coriander, diced potatoes, chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, lemon juice, oil, coconut milk, ginger garlic paste, green and red chilies, salt, black pepper, chicken. If you don't have fresh red chilies, that's fine. I just had few, so that's why I added it. You can stop here for the ingredients. I'm marinating chicken with salt and black pepper powder. Some black pepper powder I will add later. So you can look at the ingredients and check how much black pepper I have used. Heat oil. Once it's hot, put onions and saute for 5 minutes. Now you can add green or red chilies and saute for a minute or so. You can add more green chilies, red chilies, you can put less, it's up to you. Now you can add ginger garlic paste and saute for a couple of minutes until the raw smell of ginger garlic goes away. Now I am adding marinated chicken which I had set aside for some time. Honestly, I have used whatever chicken I had in my refrigerator, but usually you would buy whole chicken cut up. But this is what I had in my fridge, so that's what I added, and I am sauteing it for a few minutes. Now I will add diced and peeled potatoes. I'm adding tomatoes. Saute. So at this point you will cover the pot, and I think I'm adding a little bit of salt that was remaining because I usually tend to add less salt in my food. So whatever was remaining I am adding it. You will cover it now on a very low heat. You will cook this chicken without adding any water because chicken will release its own water and it will cook in its own juices. So cover it and cook it for 10 minutes on a very low heat. See, the chicken has already released water. Now add coconut milk. Mix. This stew is so tasty, and it is such a welcome change with our spicy food all the time. I'm adding remaining black pepper powder and garam masala. It has all the Indian spices, but these are mild spices, not heavy spices, and it is just so yummy. It tastes so good with bread and even with steamed rice. I'm adding a little bit of water. I must say that I always add warm water, and also I added warm coconut milk because that's what I have been told, not to use cold water or cold coconut milk in any meat dishes. I'm covering it and cooking it for some time. Look, this really looks yummy, tasted yummy. Now I'm adding lemon juice. And I will garnish it with chopped coriander. And that's it, Indian style chicken stew is ready. The taste test. This is the taste. It was perfect. I did not need anything. Salt was perfect. Spices were perfect. It was mildly spiced, and garnish it with remaining coriander leaves. Thank you for watching, and please click on the title of the video for the full recipe. Thank you very much, and please subscribe to my channel.